Welcome to the Hormone Reset Club. This tech tutorial is going to guide you through downloading your files. First, you need to log into your Hormone Reset Club, which, if you're watching this video, you have. Then, you need to go to Download Materials. You have a guide for month 1, laying the foundation, and you have a month 1 laying the foundation worksheets. Both are PDFs. The guide you can choose not to print or to print. It's up to you. And you can access it. If you choose not to print it, you can read it on your phone or on your computer. The worksheets, however, you should definitely print, because these are food lists to take to the grocery store. These are your progress trackers for tracking your benchmarks. And it's also worksheets to help guide you through developing your why and your strategies to be able to make this a lifelong journey, not just a one-year journey. Your success is based upon completing those worksheets, because without those worksheets, most people do not follow through. So let me go ahead and show you how to download your worksheets. You click the download button, and it will automatically open in a PDF reader. In my case, it's Adobe Acrobat. You're going to look for a download button. It's a down arrow pointing into what looks like a U or an open box. Click on it. It's a PDF. I'm not worried about any other options except the defaults and download PDF. Now, I'm on a Windows-based machine running Windows 11 and Google Chrome. So if your screen looks different, you could be using a different operating system. You could be using a different browser. Now, this Save As dialog box allows me to choose where I'm going to store this information. So what I'm going to do is create a folder labeled HRC for Hormone Reset Club. Where'd my folder go? I'm usually quicker on the draw for that. There it is. Meaning I double click on it before it re-indexes. So now I'm in the HRC folder, in my downloads folder, and I'm going to save my Laying the Foundation Worksheets document. There we go. I'm going back to my Hormone Reset Club, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download the guide. Click on the download button, accept the PDF defaults. And now when I get to download, I look for my HRC folder. There it is. And save. And that is how you download the PDFs. Because the worksheets, the workbooks, are either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, as to choose which application you're going to use in order to access the files. Because there are two different sets of data files and you have to choose one, I'm going to make a download video just for Microsoft Excel files, and I'm going to make a download video just for the Google Sheets files.